Word processor mail merge. In business as well as in official matters, it is often needed to send letters with similar information to different people. The letters require the name and address of each recipient to be printed. So, changing the address each time would be very long process and wastage of time and effort. Mail merge feature of Word 2016 is used to combine a data source which contains all the addresses with main document. It saves our time and energy to send letters at multiple addresses. Data source. Data source consists of mailing list, for example, name, address, city, PIN, telephone number, etc. The data is organized in tabular form along with field names. The data source is associated with the main document, so its field names can be used in the main document, and it becomes easy to merge addresses along with the main document. Field is a column in a data source that contains one type of information. Example, name, address, city, etc. Record is a row on a data sheet. Number of fields make one record. Main document. It contains the text that we wish to send to all the recipients. Merge field. It is the data item that such as name, address, city, PIN, etc. which instructs Word 2016 about where to insert the data source, names, addresses, information. Mail merge involves three basic steps: creating a main document, specifying data source, and merging the data source and the main document. The data source can be created in Word 2016 database file, or it can be also created in another application like Excel and Access 2016. Creating a mail merge document. To create the main document, follow these steps. Create a new document and type a letter, or open an existing letter in Microsoft Word that you can want to send to the different people at different addresses. Click on the Mailings tab, Start Mail Merge Group. Click on the Start Mail Merge drop down menu and select Step by Step Mail Merge Wizard. The Mail Merge task pane appears on the right side of the application window. Now select Letters, radio button under Select Document Type section. Click the next starting document under step 1 of 16 and at the bottom choose type of setup of your letters. Use the current document radio button and under select starting document section. Click the next select recipient under step 2 of 6, creating recipient list. To create a new mailing list, select the Type a New List radio button under Select Recipient section in the Mail Merge task pane. Click on Create option. A new address list dialog box appears on the screen as shown in the figure. Click on the Customize Columns button to add and remove fields. Enter data into the respective fields and click on the New Entry button located at the bottom left of the dialog box. Enter 3 records of your friends and relatives and click OK. You will get Save Address List dialog box. Specifying a name in File Name text box and click Save button. The Mail Merge Recipients dialog box will appear as shown in the figure. The dialog box displays the details of all the records added by you. To change any detail, you can select the data source and click on the Edit button located under Data Source box. When you are through, click OK. Note that by default, tick marks are placed on the checkbox next to the data source field. It gives the indication that the records are selected. If you do not want to send the letter to the particular address, just click on the specific checkbox to deselect it. Click OK. Now click on the Next. Write your letter wizard step under 3 of 6 in the Mail Merge task pane. Tab key is pressed to move between the fields while inserting mail merge fields. Place the cursor at the position where you want to insert the records field. On the Mailings tab, click on the Insert Merge Field button in right and insert the field. The Insert Merge Field dialog box will appear with the list of fields name you have created. Click on the field name that you intend to add and then click on the Insert button. Similarly, insert other fields into the document and click on the Close button. You will notice the selected field names will appear in your document one after the other. Separate the field names by pressing the Enter key. Viewing the merged data. You can check whether Microsoft Word has picked up the data source according to the merged fields or not by viewing it on the screen. Click on the Preview Results button in the Preview Result group on the Mailings tab and click on the Next Preview Your Letters wizard under Step 4 of 6 sections. The first record will be displayed. Click on the Next Record button in the Preview Results group to view the next record of your data source. Printing the letters.